Hello everyone, in this new video on your channel New Online Purchases, I apologize for my unintended absence. If you want to earn passive income that can grow, then you are in the right place. Moneybirds is a website that allows you to create your own farm, invest in it, and generate a steady monthly income. How to get started with Moneybirds. First, all you have to do is go to the website https://moneybirds.org/ and click on register. Then enter the required information and the simple interface will open up to you, placing you at the starting line of your online project, which undoubtedly will bring in fantastic profits. At first, it may seem difficult and complicated, but it only requires a little effort and patience. Additionally, there is the possibility of depositing money on the site to develop your earnings. The site determines the minimum withdrawal limit, which is 1 Russian ruble. Does Moneybirds offer other ways to earn money? The answer is yes. Moneybirds is one of the profitable websites that offer various ways to earn money and get a monthly income, including inviting your friends. This method is adopted by many profitable websites, and it relies on inviting your friends to join the site, using your unique link. What are the methods that Moneybirds uses for withdrawing profits? Moneybirds has different methods to execute your withdrawal, including the following: Payeer, Visa, and Perfect Money. However, to execute a withdrawal, you must have enough points that enable you to withdraw your money. We obtain these points by inviting friends to join through our unique link. Is Moneybirds a legitimate website? Yes, with certainty. Moneybirds is one of the most legitimate websites in this field. Furthermore, the founders of Moneybirds are the same people who created the site explained in the last video, and there are people who are currently making money from it. That's all for today's video. See you next time.